Broadcast. Bang! Summer trading, summer loving, happens so fast. Thursday, July the 19th, 2012, 4 p.m. Eastern. Up, down, up. Down, up, down. Market cannot make its mind up. Could we be churning at the top? Certainly. Could be ready for a big explosion. We got earnings coming out after the close. Mr. Softy, Google. It just looks like we want to go higher. As much as I want to be short, believe me, we've come a long way, baby. It's only 60, 70 handles in the S&P, but it just looks like we want to hit my channel line. All the numbers out of the USA today sucked wind. I mean, a litany, every single one. Yet the market doesn't go down. What does that tell you? We're going up. Maybe tomorrow's the top. Still think we need another 20 handles on the S&P, 1395. Look at the daily chart. Timing is everything. You get it wrong, but was it a doji today? Absolutely. Did we not get through this whole 1380 zone? Absolutely. We may have failed, and there are a bunch of shorts out there that think we did. Dougie Cass shouting you out. I can't believe it. He's actually on the dark side now. Huh. Wasn't he bullish at 1425? Wasn't he bullish in this zone? It's taken him a long way back. But, hey, he held with his longs. Maybe he got out. But certainly the daily chart looks a little tired. So, I don't know. Maybe you want to put some shorts out there. But the problem is, everyone's short. Major players, hedge funds, whatever, are really not really net long. There's so much cash on the sidelines. It's true. If any good news comes out, this market this market explodes. Do I think it's going to happen? I think it's going to be a reversal day. You sell on that good news. But, yeah, I do think we're going to have some sort of ridiculous monster day. I've been waiting for 2 years for an up 200 down on the day, haven't I? Existing home sales in the United States, representing 90% of the housing market, collapsed. Only up 4.37 million units. What happened to the housing number? Navar, NVR down over $100. 15% slice. Well, Google is better. Up huge. Revenues, wow. Light, and it's up. What a joke. I don't get it. Philly Fed in the United States, terrible. But, once again, Syria in the limelight, as I've said over and over again, long oil, short gold. Oil could explode. Assad now actually moved out of Damascus. Amazing. Never thought that would happen. Getting closer to those Russian ships that can take him to Russia if he has to. Syria is on the verge of implosion. Rumors that Israel is ready to do airstrikes on the chemical weapons in order for them not to get into Al-Qaeda and Hezbollah hands. Oh, man. Oil goes up $10 on that. Leading index out of the United States, down 0.3, was supposed to be down 0.1. I don't get it. Yeah, earnings, IBM was good today. Really good. Revenues weren't even that great, though. Google coming in now. Oh, $6.12, $32. Wow. I mean, all the high flyers, Apple, Priceline. I don't even know what Chipotle Grill did. I love that as a short. Place is disgusting. I want to shout out to my girl, Madison Beer. Check out Madison Beer, B-E-E-R, Madison. Check it out. Type it in internet. Oh, baby. She's going to be big. I wish we could buy a stock in celebrities. Like, I want to buy Madison Beer stock. How do I do that? What if she comes like Justin Bieber? Stock price can be worth a lot. Anyway, crude going higher. Gold up, but I still don't think gold is really in a bull phase. There's a monster wedge. Don't get me wrong. This is a picture-perfect, gorgeous wedge. Perfect. This thing gets over 1610. Which way? Break it down and then break it out. I find wedges, the first move is always the wrong move. So look for gold maybe to collapse, and you buy that. I think you buy that. Dollar index. Again, nowhere. A little bit lower. Obviously, commodity currencies came in. But you know what? Certainly the rally wasn't very good. I mean, I can't remember last time I've seen this kind of a skeleton. I don't know what you'd call it. I mean, talk about a sucker's play. Continues to make lower highs. This is such a short. Makes you scared to be short. I mean, look. Is it holding up well? Yes. Is it grinding and chopping up traders, eating up their money? Yes. Euro dollar basically down the day. Well, unchanged. Tried to get higher. Failed. But again, making higher lows. Dollar Swiss, same thing. It's unbelievable. I don't know why I trade it. Is to trade the euro. Same thing. Lower highs. And, of course, one of my really favorite shorts, killing me. A freaking joke how this thing is just exploding. Right. I get it. Right. It's safer to have your money in London than Switzerland. Okay. I get it. Give me a break. I love this short. Love. This thing might get up to a 2-year high. But you know what, SMB? Enough is enough. It looks like we're going there. I mean, we're so broken out. 157 should be the spot. Sterling dollar looks like it wants to go up. Big hedge fund, big money manager, shorting the pound. Okay. I think cable looks like it wants to fly. Like the wind. Retail sales weaker, but it goes up. I mean, I'm telling you, bad macro, buy risk. It's unbelievable. I mean, you had a litany. You didn't even have the trifecta. You had a litany. That's 3 and above. What, quadfecta? Unemployment claims weaker. Existing home sales weaker. Philly Fed weaker. Leading index weaker. Those are big numbers. I am telling you, Bernanke's going to deliver, absolutely deliver something. Extension 2015, maybe. Something. Because the numbers are falling off a cliff. And what's amazing is corporate earnings really aren't net S&P 500 coming in that bad. But again, revenues are not up. It's earnings that are up. They're squeezing. They're not getting more business. That's not good. So this London, I think, again, we could do Fibonacci. I still think the Euro and the Swissy are freaking due. We get to 159. Why not? 158 short term tomorrow. Tonight. Easy. Euro yen goes nowhere. Another one. Waste of capital. It's due for a pop. We got Euro group meetings. I can tell you, any good news, this market explodes. It's not going down. It's overbought. We should be going, one way. We should be bouncing back. We're not. You know what's going up? Fucking Australian dollar. That's what's going up. To the moon, Alice. Well, tried. Tell you. What's amazing is, look at that. That's the same channel line for the S&P. We might be talking 107. 107. Aussie's only up 850 pips from the lows. That's it. In a month and a half. What happened to sell in May and go away? Sell in May and buy June 1st. Euro Canada continues to drill lower. Drill and grill. Aussie. Oh, Euro Aussie. Sorry. Delusional there for a second. Continues to melt down. Look at this. Toast. Double par at one point. Incredible. I still think this is getting way oversold. I think these, again, could be monster trades to the upside. I don't believe in this move. But, again, you measure the move from what, 122 to 130. That's 115, 114. We're getting close. This is ridiculous, this move, in my opinion, this panic out of the euro. And, you heard some really, on CNBC's Delivering Alpha, you really heard some smart guys saying, this is not going to happen. The euro is going to survive. Well, if the euro is going to survive, Kroner, there could be some nice trades in these. And again, we're heading to really oversold levels. This could go a little bit more. I love this Kiwi dollar. I don't see why it doesn't go to 80.50. I mean, I'm sorry, my channel at 81. Easy. 82. Oh, yeah, 81 was my big resistance spot. That was my target for today. Didn't get there. Still love it. Love. Still love it. It's going higher. Dollar Canada, Bank of Canada, they had good numbers today, Dollar Canada. Canadian numbers, we're up 0.9%. We're supposed to be only up 0.2. Dollar Canada rolling over, heading for our big channel line at 99. Listen, I'm a bear, but you got to pick your spots. Preservation of capital, baby. And I just think that maybe it's next Tuesday, but this Syrian situation is imploding. This thing is going to spread like a virus. This is major cockroaches. This is Iran. This is everything. This is Israel. Look what Iran just did in Bulgaria. Big. There's going to be a flash crash coming. I'm telling you. I feel it. Dollar yen never broke out below 78.40. Should we take that level out? Say hello right to 77.50. Big time. Big time. How oversold that is. Amazing. 10 years. Did that. What else is left? Follow me on Premium. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Twitter. Voice of Forex, people. What are you waiting for? I know it's summer. I know the market's really not doing much, like this pound yen. Babies do. Nice pop. Weasel. 126. Why not? This S&P is ready to explode. Take the shorts out and put them away. I'm telling you, I'm nervous. I want to be. But not yet. Not yet. I don't know why. Look at that chart. New Zealand against the Swiss franc. And what's amazing is, look where it was. And now, this thing is making new multi-year highs. What a joke. But you know what? Looks like it's going up to freaking 80. Looks like it's going up to here. I mean, this is incredible. After the plunge. After the plunge. I mean, what a buy this was, huh? Jeez Christ. Who would have thought? And you're getting paid to own it. But certainly, wow. But I believe there will be a tremendous trade in the Swiss franc. I do not believe that this trade is over by any means. I mean, look at this. This is making a new thing. It's gone. Gone. There's a new 3-year high. 2.5. Wow. It's a joke. Anyway, as far as tomorrow's trade is concerned, we really do not have much on tap, nothing in the United States. We do have core CPI and headline CPI coming out of Canada. You got London, public sector borrowing, big deal. German producer prices, big deal. Australia, big deal. Import prices, credit card spending in New Zealand. That's it. Headline risk is Eurogroup. Will they pull some sort of rabbit out of their hat? Is Barney Gay Boy Frank going to be on CNBC and be a jerk off like he normally is? Absolutely. So, I think it's all about the euro. I think this euro is due. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. We've been in a 100 pip range back and forth. We're ready to explode to 124. I just find it hard to believe that the stock market's going to go up and the euro's going to go down. You might get the stock market up like today and euro down a little bit. Okay. But how are you going to get the stock market up big and the euro down big? Those two don't equate. I'll tell you what, though. Stock market rallies, this euro rally is going to be a great opportunity to get short because we do think stock market's going to reverse. But you get a big spike into that 125 zone. Oh, yeah. Lay into it, baby. Black Swan is coming within the next month or two. I give you the golden blue horseshoe trade. I'm starting to nibble on the VIX. I think the VIX under 16 is a buy. The VIX will be 20 before you know it. Oh, yeah. And that's it. May you live in interesting times. You're going to walk in one day and the market's going to be down 500 points. Gap down over the weekend. Chemical, biological, terrorists, something is going to happen. Be wary, my friends. Be defensive. But again, the problem is there are so many shorts out there that maybe, there's going to be the squeeze. Squeeze. And I think that's what we're seeing now in the S&P. Again, there's a joke. This rally. But I think, again, in my opinion, and Morgan Stanley, by the way, 1150 S&P price target, end of the year. Interesting. That would be in our channel line, wouldn't it? Oh, yeah. Just like we sold off here, and we rallied here, then we fell off a cliff. This is exactly, in my opinion, what's coming. What's not coming is this retarded rally we've had for the past 7 months. Oh, baby. Email me. Questions, comments, premium junior for only $50 a month. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio, the only voice you'll ever need, who truly loves to make you money. Remember, no video on Friday. I expect the market to be up tomorrow, choppy at best. And I don't see really down big, but unless there's news. You get some bad news, all bets are off. And then you absolutely get short. But right now, it looks like the bulls got the shorts by the tail. The only voice you'll ever need. Have a great weekend. Should be a little cooler in the Northeast. Rest up. Big week next week. The only voice you'll ever need. Truly loves to make you money. Bye-bye.